Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Windows 11 laptop to Wi-Fi using quick settings, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Windows 11 laptop to Wi-Fi using quick settings, first, locate the network icon on the taskbar. The network icon is usually found in the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the network icon to open the quick settings panel. In the quick settings panel, you will see the Wi-Fi tile. If the Wi-Fi tile is not highlighted, click on it to turn it on. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, a list of available networks will appear. Scroll through the list and click on the name of the network to select it. If the network is secured, you will be prompted to enter a password. Type in the Wi-Fi password carefully. Double-check your entry to ensure there are no mistakes. After entering the password, click on the Connect button. Your laptop will now attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message. You can now close the quick settings panel. Your Windows 11 laptop is successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Enjoy your internet browsing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.